Hey everyone, it's Susan, and today I'm going to be doing a dip. I'm going to use one of these tiles to make a coaster, and I'm using this little gadget here I got from Paint Pour Supplies. They sent me a few things to try out, and I'm trying this one out today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the paint through there, and it's going to come out the sides here, and then I'm going to dip one of these on top of it. So first of all, I'm going to add some base down, and this is just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I got a couple of gloves on. Mixed with Floetrol, regular Floetrol. And I'm using some leftover paints that I have that I used for dips before. I had to add more Floetrol to them. Iridescent Gold, Pebeo, another Pebeo, Iridescent Green Blue, and Iridescent Copper, Pebeo. And I'm going to be using some Vallejo Pearl mixed with, I think, Amsterdam paint, and some Floetrol in between some of the colors. I hope it's thin enough, or thick enough, whatever. I used to do these before, but I forget how thick or thin the paint has to be, so I just will have to see how it turns out, and then I'll know. Okay, that should be good. I don't know if I have too much on here, because I have to put paint on here as well, so I might have a little bit too much. Just going to add some paint to the edges. And of course I tape the back of my tiles so I don't get any paint on the back, and then just leave it on if I want to resin them, which I'm probably going to do. Okay, so let's see. Make sure. It's about the middle, I think. Okay. Well, I probably won't be able to put too much paint on because they're small tiles, so we'll see what color should I do first. Maybe the green blue. Now there's a hole in there. I'm not sure whether I pour straight into the hole or around the edge and let it fall through. I'm going to try around the edge and let it fall through. Okay. Oh, that looks looking pretty good. A little bit of the white. Actually, I'm just going to pour it in the middle. It's a lot easier. So. That's just a little bit of that, and then I'm going to pour copper. Yeah, I think I better do the swirling. I can't tell if it's coming through. I'm gonna try gold. Geez, it's already moved out quite a bit. I'm gonna do the white again. And then what are the blue green. I think that's probably enough. Just lift it up, straight up. I gotta put this in some water. Okay, I'm not gonna try not to let it spread out too much, or look, it's getting too big, I think. Let's see. What can I do? I'm just going to go in like that. Whoops, it's very thin. All right. Wish me luck. It's probably way too big now for the tile, but I'll give it a try. Yep, it is. Well, I'll do it anyway. Just let it sit there for a couple of seconds. Make sure everything is making contact. And then I will lift up. Looks like there's a lot of paint on here. I gotta lift straight up. Try to anyway. Oh, it's too slippery. Oh, that looks kind of neat. That looks kind of nice. Where's my torch? Just give it a little bit of a torch. Cool. Just gonna show you. I think it looks interesting. Kind of like it. I'm gonna do another one. Just gotta put it over there because there's lots of cool things happening here. And I went and closed my paint. Actually, what I can do is I can scoop some of this up. Okay. And I'm just going to pour a little bit on here, not much. Spread it around. I need to do the edges too. Now let's try and lift it up without it slipping like last time, hopefully. Another kind of interesting one. Looks kind of neat. I'm going to torch that again. Okay, I'm just going to do 2 more, and then I probably won't be able to do any more. And I'll show you them at the end, what they look like. Put some more paint on here. And I could have a set of 4 coasters that all look similar. I mean, they don't really look like, well, they kind of look sort of flowerish, but not like I planned. But I like them. I like them a lot. Okay, I'm going to do this side over here. That's what's good about this. I'm not adding any more paint, and I can get 4 tiles out of this. It's kind of neat. So, all right, let's try and lift it up again. Straight up. It's not quite like as nice as the others, but it's still cool. Torch this. Where's my torch? Okay, good enough. Good enough. One more. One more. I like them. Where should I go? I almost just put it on there without a paint. Which probably would be okay, but I guess because there's lots of paint on here. But you never know, so I just put a little thin layer on each time. The sides are done. Now, where should I go? Probably go right here because this has already been done quite a few times and I need to take a little bit more paint on here, so I'll do right here. Okay, and I'll lift up. Sort of sticks. Kind of cute. All right, I will torch that again. And even, I'm going to let this dry. And that's kind of cool as well. I don't have any more tiles ready to dip, so you can only dip so many and then it starts looking weird. So, do it my hands off. Let's do the torch. Okay, just gonna do this. I can't get it too close because this is plastic that I'm working on here. All right, I'm gonna just leave that. That looks cool. Okay, now, there we go. Okay, That one is kind of cool. All right, the next one, I think this was the last one. First two are the best ones. Okay, that was the second one. This is the first one. Okay, we'll let these dry. Hopefully they'll dry nice. And this here is pretty cool itself. Make a nice skin out of this one. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in my next video. Bye for now.